Mobile Legends!
You can see the riding on the pavement. Young kids
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them!
Find my brother.
Request backup!
I think that we've all had enough.
Don't ask me. Just tell me I have freedom. Try this magic.
It's too late to try to go contain it. A generation created.
For me! First blood! Initiate retreat!
Something good will come from creation.
How dare you?
Up and out, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were
I am the top student of the academy after all.
Attack the turtle! Sorry.
Of the academy after all.
Enemy has slain the turtle!
Try this magic.
Slain an enemy!
Hey kid, don't ever let them get you. They'll tell you what to do in life instead.
How dare you?
Everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. Fight the
Try this magic.
Killing spree!
my past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test.
Enemy
If only I
missing!
could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like. Find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. New friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, always learn it
I have
online. Just
freedom.
because you make a statement, try to they'll try to keep you on the ground.
Mega kill! Cooldown!
Rise up while you drown. Still you're at the ground. You're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'm making it look like I'm losing. Won't let the fire keep moving. And all the
Find my brother.
that you just reckless.
Did you know the player of Macchiola and Karna? Of the academy after all.
Progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me. Maybe something in the air. And they're scared I walk a straight. Many can see I like to play fast. Cross me and there's payback. You better pray
Don't
that.
test me.
Any place that I go, I know you hate that. I've been doing fine. I'm not wasting any more time. I look for the light and the sun. I look at the pain is what's defined. I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I still to the ground. Cause I don't deserve it, yeah, the road ahead is dark. Try to keep you while you're down.
Help me find
I know that time can heal all, but how much time can you fall? It's up to you outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die.
Students of the academy,
or just
after
the
all.
start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing stuff.
Test
Is this an
me.
argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe tell myself something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we did it all. I know
Find
that
my
things
brother.
seem bad, but they could be much worse. Cause I was someone else who has a greater curse. Afraid of first, a hunger for thirst. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna live again. I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I could the volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing something else. Is this an argument, or just the start of it?
Find my brother.
Drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to the day when we weren't alone. Take me back to when they were felt small. Way back before we do it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to the day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when we were felt small.
Clear up lanes. Okay.
I am the top student of the academy, after all.
Everybody come here, gather round. Welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head, constantly thoughts jump around me. I need a new life. Wait, it's negative. I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show 'em what I got, I'm competitive.